Mbóh em là nhớ như thà mà còn gặp anh chịu trong các can mà bằng thì em là lá rơi nào can ra anh mà bị phá. At this time in the program, we will be dedicating the church to God for the work that is to be done here. And we will be making several requests to God for what He has planned for this church. After the last of June till now, Captain can I might not amen. Can I might get the last have herself have I not amen that my Lord. Number one would laugh let G. Yeah, the name amen motive let G. Oh, anh chị cầm đầu đọc đường ơi, amen ơi là đi ngăn mà là nào đi chừng nào gặp ơi ngàn ở đây là tập lab tuần thiên nào tập can ai mai amen and take my Lord. Along with the dedication, I will be offering several requests concerning this church and its people, and I invite you here today to respond to each one in unison, saying Amen. In the Bible, Amen means that's true, or that is what I truly want. And so, when I make this request of God, and if that is what you truly want, please answer in unison, Amen. Now, the first statement is about the building itself. We commit it to God and request that He protect every part of it. The doors, the windows, the walls, the roof, every part of it. The furniture, equipment, everything in here, we commit to God's work that is to be used for Him. Lord long, and nhớ